Creating AI films like this with AI, it is insane. Motion control, voiceovers, the sound effects, everything is in place. With AI, bro, this is something I'll be showing you how to do today. You can create movies with 3D characters, with the skeleton characters that are actually trending right now on social media. Now on this tool, you can generate your images, you can generate your videos, and even edit all your videos inside this AI tool, which means it is all in one AI tool. You don't need to go to different AI tools to get your work done. All workflow in the tool. Let's go. Let me show you how to do it. This is wow. So guys, the first thing you're supposed to do is to open your Filmora AI. Okay, once I get to Filmora, up here where you see media, okay, you see AI media. Once you click on AI media, you have video inspiration, you have video, you have image to video, text to video, video extension, AI image, my files, library, and all that. Now, first thing, what I'll do is I'll actually be using text to video today. So I'll click on text to video because I want to do this short film, okay? Now, once you click to text to video, up here, you can actually see the Open AI, all right? Open AI Sora 2, when you click on it, it gives you different options. So you have Open AI Sora, you have VO3 right here, the Google VO3 right there. I'll be using the VO3. Let me use VO3. So once you click on VO3, the next thing you need to do is come down here where it says prompt require, okay? So please enter your prompt. Guys, you all already know me. I'll send you all the prompts in the description box. So at this point, I'll just paste my prompt right here because I already prepared a very sweet prompt. Okay, I'll paste my prompt right there. And once you paste your prompt, then you come down here to resolution. I'll choose 1080p for the high resolution. And again, I'll be using the 16.9. Then I'll pick on the 8 seconds. Okay, once you're done doing that, everything is set for you. And then you just have to click on generate. I wait for this video to generate. So guys, our videos are actually ready. So I did the text to video and I got perfect videos, like perfect. Let's see this one. So it did not actually give me the talking because I actually wanted to add my voice over myself, okay? So we have this first one. This is Filmora. You all know the workflow is all done here on Filmora. You don't need to go to any other app. So I'll be editing my videos here on Filmora. I'll just take on this, drag and put that. So here you can change your video dimension or keep it the same. All right, so we have our video like that, okay? That's the first one. So the second one, take the second one too, bring it down here, like so. Okay, then we have the third one, bring it down here. Voila, so our videos are actually ready at this point. Let's just see what we have. Bro, I asked for a cinematic movie here. Once you have your video like this, the next thing that I'll have to do right now is to get my audio for this video, okay? So I already have my audio script. What I'll need to do is I'll go up here where you see audio, click on audio. Now, once you click on audio, if you have downloads, you can use them. You have my music. You can actually create your music right here, okay? You have audio, AI audios. You have text to speech. So yes, you can actually do your text to speech. You can do your AI audios as well. And then you have sound effects. Let's go to text to speech. I'll click on text to speech and I'll start here where it says text to speech. Now you click on start. Since I already have my narrator version that I want to use, I'll just come here and I paste it right here. I'll paste my narrator version. Then you get to choose a voice. So you come here, you choose your narrator voice that you want. So I'll be choosing this particular one. You click on it and then it highlights, then you click on generate. So I'll generate this audio that I'll actually be using the audio under this video. So at this point, my audio is actually ready. You can see my audio right under here. So I'll drag it and bring it right under my story. Okay. Drag and bring right under my story like that. Like I told you again, Filmora is a full workflow thingy. So I've actually brought my voiceovers under here. So once you bring your voiceover right here, the next thing I need to do is to actually pick up my auto captions, okay? And add them on top of the video to align. Like I told you again, Filmora is actually the main workflow. Right here, you can do all your work, okay? So put everything in place like that. So right here, we have our audio. You have our video. This is the video right here. And then the text to speech actually comes at once with auto caption. Once you align your auto captions like that, your videos and your audio, let's listen to what we have, okay? Let's listen to this right now.
Set the Amazon still had secrets. Secrets too wild to be bad.
The next thing I'll be doing right now is to enhance the voice, okay? I'll enhance the voice and make it smoother. So I'll click here. You come right up here where you have audio, speed, you come down here, you can see. So here, at this point, I'll click here beside the AI voice enhancer. I'll click and modify this audio. So you can actually see modify, and you have down here auto normalizer there. So let's play this again.
It started with footprints.
So you see how that makes a whole lot of sense. Once I'm done putting everything like this, so you see my movie is good. Once you have your audio, your story, and your auto captions, at this point, you click on your auto captions up here. Click on the auto captions, any of them, just click. And then by the right side, you can actually see how your auto captions can appear on the screen, okay? The style that you want them to be, in which colors that you want them to be. You can actually choose any of your style right here. And then when you're done choosing, you can also choose how they appear, okay? How they animate on the screen as well, like that. Now you can scale here to make it bigger or scale to make it smaller. So since it's actually a story, we'll just keep it that way, something like that, okay? And I'll change it to this color because it rhymes with the forest. I'll be adding in sound effects. So from the start of this, right up here where it starts, I'll add in a sound effect. So I'll go to audio, I'll click on audio again, then I'll choose effect, sound effect, click on sound effect on selfie camera phone. Yeah, so I'll start that. That will be the start sound of my video. So I'll bring this down right here. Okay. So at this point, I already have my movie like this and everything is okay. But I just needed to add a little bit of this video, okay? Because the video did not finish and I do not want to go back in prompting. So I'll just go back to my media and I'll extend this video because you can actually extend your video here as well. So once you click on AI media, you swap down and then you get to see, you see video extend. You click on that, then you click where it says add video. You click on add video. Now they actually gave me the last scene of my video, which is important because if you want to extend your video, definitely you'll be extending the last scene. So at this point, they said describe. I had to just say make the hunters run while the dinosaur follow them in the forest. I'll leave the resolution same and I'll leave it for 5 seconds because I just wanted to add a little bit to close up. Then I click on generate. Now the extension is ready. So we are good to go now, okay? I want to add some animations or some effects. I'll click down here to add some animations. So I'll split a certain section right almost at the end. I want to zoom it in. I'll click on the section that I actually want to add animations. And then I'll come up here where you see video, audio, speed, animations. You click on animations, okay? And then you choose the particular animation that you want. I'll click on that. I'll click on that and animate it like that. Yes. We have filters right here. You can use filters. I want to add filters. Just at the start, I'll add in filter, okay? So I'll click up here on filter. And once you click up here on filter, I want to use like this. Yeah, this kind of. Yeah, I wanted to give it that. Yeah, that filter. So I wanted to give it that red start to make it look like the real Amazon forest, okay? So at this point, yeah, I added the filter and it looks good. So everything is actually here on Filmora. You have audios. You can actually use your templates for titles, different kind of transitions to use in your videos. You have effects right here. You have filters. You can use all kind of filters. You have stickers. You can use stickers in your video, templates. You have all kinds of templates to use into your video. Now, once you're done with everything that you're doing, you just need to click on export and export your video. How to actually get Filmora? Click the link in my description box to download Filmora and start using it today. Benefits for every new user: 3 days of watermark-free export, 100 free AI credit, 100 points upon completion for first export. Guys, you don't want to miss this. Click the link in my description right now and register on Filmora.